Die FFP2-Masken sind die in Europa häufig benutzten Masken, die vom Europäischen Komitee für elektrotechnische Normen reguliert werden. Excuse me. FFP2 masks require a minimum filtration performance of 94% and allow a maximum inward leakage of 8%. Like KN95s, they do not require head straps and ear loops are common. Unlike the KN95 and N95, they do filter oil-based particles. And they have a maximum inhalation resistance of 240 PA at 95 liters a minute, which means that the worst FFP2 mask is easier to breathe in than the worst N95 or KN95. FFP2 masks are certified at one of a number of laboratories and should be printed with a CE number that will let you know which laboratory it was certified at. This means that your random FFP2 mask is probably more trustworthy than the random KN95, but it's not a perfect system. A quick search revealed that this FFP2 mask intended for the Spanish market that Mandy Masker tried, a previous batch of masks from the same manufacturer were not up to the filtration performance standards. That was a previous batch. Mandy's could have the correct filtration performance, but personally I would go with a manufacturer that has a spotless track record. This is SafetyGate, the EU Rapid Alert System for Dangerous Non-Food Products. And if I search FFP2, we've got a number of recent recalls based on random spot checks of products that labs in different countries are performing. This respirator imported by Belgium had filtration performance as low as 45%. That's pretty bad. Clearly, sketchy stuff makes it through to the markets in Europe despite the CE systems, so it's worth doing some searching. This is the German government's own site for recalls, and they have one listed from last month that's not listed on the main SafetyGate website. I don't know what that's about. This is the French government's recall page, and they literally haven't posted any FFP2 recalls in more than a year, which seems weird. I don't know what that's about either. There are also established manufacturers, brand names that have been making respirators for years. Those are probably more reliable, although those are typically not the masks being sold in single packs at drugstores. So, moral of the story, do some Googling before you buy FFP2s. By the way, the UK essentially uses the same standards as the EU because that's a recent divorce.